Hi everyone, my name is David Peters. I'm from Peters Tax Preparation and Consulting. One of the things that we get asked a lot is whether or not you can deduct mileage. Well, the answer, like so many other things in tax, is it depends. What does it depend on? Well, depends kind of on three things. The first thing is what kind of mileage are we talking about? Are we talking about commuting mileage or are we talking about business mileage? The second thing that we need to answer is where exactly are we taking the deduction? And then the third one is how much of a deduction are we able to take? So, first question is what type of mileage are we talking about? Are we talking about business mileage or are we talking about commuting mileage? Commuting mileage is not deductible. However, business mileage, well, that may be deductible. So if I'm commuting from home to the office, and then I go from the office to client 1, then to client 2, then to client 3, then back to the office, and then from the office back home, well, my trips from home to the office, that's commuting miles, that's not deductible. However, from the office to client 1, to client 2, to client 3, back to the office, that's business miles. And then that last trip from the office to home, well, that's commuting mileage. So commuting mileage is not deductible. However, business miles may be deductible. All right, well, so what do we need to answer now? Once we've figured out our business miles, then we need to figure out where exactly we would take that deduction. It used to be that employees could take a business mileage deduction on Schedule A. However, starting in 2018, one of the big tax law changes is that employees can no longer take a mileage deduction at all. We used to take it on Schedule A. We can't do that anymore. So no deduction on Schedule A for employees. However, if you're self-employed, so you run your own business, if you do that, then you can probably take a tax deduction for your miles on Schedule C or on Schedule E. So if you're an employee, no longer can take it on Schedule A, but if you're self-employed, you can take a mileage deduction on Schedule C or Schedule E. The last question is, how much of a deduction are we able to take? Well, in 2019, the new rate is 58 cents per mile. That's one of those things that changes every year. So starting in 2019, 58 cents per mile, we can take a deduction either on Schedule C or on Schedule E, but remember, it's only business miles that are deductible. If you know those three things, you're going to be in great shape for filing season. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, feel free to hit the like button, and if you want to be notified every time we come out with a new video, be sure to hit that bell icon. For more information, visit us at davidpeterstax.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.